fluffy banana pancakes. Easy and delicious recipe. Today, I'm making soft, fluffy banana pancakes using simple ingredients you probably already have at home. These pancakes are naturally sweet, full of flavour and perfect for breakfast or brunch. I start by blending all the liquid ingredients together with the banana until smooth. Then I mix the banana mixture with the dry ingredients to form a smooth batter. Finally, I cook the pancakes on a warm pan until golden and fluffy. Perfectly paired with berries, butter and honey. These pancakes smell incredible and taste even better. Cook for you spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Banana Pancake. If you try the recipe, let me know how it turns out. Like, comment and subscribe for more easy recipes. Step 1. Making banana puree. In a mixer jar, add 2 large bananas. Add half cup sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1 cup milk. Blend it. Step 2. Combine dry ingredients. Take 3/4 cup wheat flour, 1/3 cup flour, you can use only flour also, 2 pinches salt, half teaspoon green cardamom powder, half teaspoon baking powder. Combine well. Add banana puree in batches. Mix well. Repeat same procedure until puree is finished. Add puree gradually. Add 1 teaspoon oil or melted butter. Combine well. Our pancake batter is ready. Heat up the pan. Pour batter on pan with help of cup. Cook for 2 minutes on low to medium flame. Once bubbles appear, flip the side. Again, cook for 2 minutes. Remove it. Repeat the same procedure for all the pancakes. Pour the batter. Cook until bubbles appears. Flip it. Cook from another side too. Pour the batter. Cook until bubbles appears. Cook until nice golden brown. Once done, remove it. Pancakes are ready. Drizzle some honey on hot pancakes. Serve with butter. Garnish with banana slices. and berries. Again, drizzle some honey, it's totally optional. Our banana pancakes are ready to serve. Do try this super delicious banana pancake recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.